function f of x is equal to x squared divided by x minus 2 is a rational function that we cannot rewrite so that we can just simply apply basic rules to it. This is a candidate for the quotient rule. So let's go through the quotient rule. We have f prime of x is equal to, we're going to take the derivative of the top, which is x squared. It's important that we always take the derivative of the top first. And the order is important because of the subtraction that goes in between the two pieces in the numerator. If we reverse the two parts when we subtract, we're going to change the sign of our answer, and that's something we want to be careful not to do. So again, we take the derivative of the top, we multiply it by the bottom, then we take a derivative of the bottom and multiply it by the top. And we're going to divide all of that by the bottom squared. You'll notice as I work through that I will never multiply out the bottom. I'll leave it in this factored form. And that's useful pretty much all the time with rational expressions and rational functions and things, because it allows us to see at different points if we have common factors with anything in the top. We don't at this point, but who knows, we might later as we work our way through the algebra now. Because the calculus is almost done here. We're going to take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. That's multiplied by x minus 2. The derivative of x minus 2 is 1. We multiply that by x squared. And that's all divided by x minus 2. All we have left now is algebra to clean this thing up. So in the top, we're going to have 2x squared minus 4x minus x squared, all divided by x minus 2 squared. That's going to be x squared minus 4x, all divided by x minus 2 squared. Or if we can factor out an x in the top, we'll have x times x minus 4, all divided by x minus 2 squared. Everything's completely factored. There are no common factors in the top and the bottom, so we can't simplify anything. So that's our derivative. The derivative of x squared divided by x minus 2 turns out to be x times x minus 4, all divided by x minus 2 squared.